Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. My name is Erin Troy. Good to see you all again. Um, my first placement was in an elementary school sorry, my dog is jumping on the bed, in an urban suburb outside of Philadelphia. Um, about 600 students ranging from, every walk of life you could possibly think of. So it was a really great experience. Um, let's see what else. Mainly my experience with families there was to connect, I guess, families with the situations that were going on inside the schools and then provide them with outside resources so that not only could we help their kids in the school, but they would be able to connect with services outside of the school and then just kind of follow up and make sure that everything was working the way it was supposed to be working according to our plan. Um, the basic structure of my family, your typical upper middle class family of six. Nothing to speak of. It was really just church on Sunday. Every night we had dinner together. It was just a very, I don't know, like Leave It to Beaver esque type upbringing. So I'm grateful for it. There's really nothing major to speak of. Um, let's see. One role we've played. I guess the role I play in my family, I am a twin. So not only am I the middle child, but I'm the middle child, but I share the spot with my twin brother. Um, and I feel like I am the caretaker, the fixer, the cheerleader, the motivational sunshine chair of the family, making sure that everybody is okay, and happy, healthy, and safe. So that has always really been my role to make people happy in the family. Um, I would say, I mean, I don't really have any burning questions about family therapy, but I guess, um, will we get seasoned with time? How do we know where to direct people in the middle of a crisis? I'm hoping and I'm guessing that that's all with experience and seasoning in the field. So I guess that's my question is, when does that happen? At what point do you feel seasoned so that you feel comfortable walking into a crisis situation and taking the reins and making sure everybody's functioning properly and giving them the right resources that they need? Other than that, I can't really think of any questions. Perhaps my brain is just fried. But I look forward to working with all of you. And I'm excited for this class because this is basically the area I would like to remain in. So happy Monday again. Hope everybody is happy, healthy, and safe, free from corona and all of that. Free back into society. So yes, we're all in green. I think a lot of us are in green. Anyway, have a great night. And I look forward to seeing all of your introductions. Okay.